Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here barefaced. Well, not barefaced. Well, I have foundation on. Obvi. I have foundation on. I have my eyebrows on, my blush, my concealer, everything on, but mascara and eyeliner. The reason I am barefaced is because today I'm going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Look how beautiful this packaging is. Boom, boom. Looks like I'm proposing to you with eyeliner. Yes, super fun. So it's just matte black eyeliner. I'm gonna be using it today. It retails for $18. It's going to be launching online on the AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com website on August 6th. It's going to be in stores August 15th in the US, and overseas it's going to be in store August 16th. So either way, you can grab this little baby on August 6th if you're impatient. But if you want to wait a little bit and get it in store, August 15th and 16th. Alrighty, so today I think what I'm going to do is like a graphic eyeliner type of look, since you know the main beautiful thing right here is eyeliner. So, and look at my little beast mirror. It's a little dirty. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a graphic eyeliner look. Not sure which one I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna do a random design and we're gonna test out this little baby and see how it works. I did like a little swatch. I don't know if you guys can see on my end, but I haven't really like used it. So I'm testing it out right now. And also we're going to be testing out their new Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighters, their new shades. Y'all look at this packaging. If you go on my Instagram and go on my Twitter, I'll link them down below. I actually have really good product shots of these and all that, so you guys can look at that too. So this one is Vegas. Look how pretty that is. It's like this light pale gold type of shade. And then we also have Peach Fizz, which is more of like a peachy, describe it peachy. It's more of a peachy highlighter. So I think today, because I already have blush on, I have liquid blush, but I might put this over as a topper to give my cheeks a little bit more of a glow and sheen and a little peachy look, because I love blush. Somebody just emailed me. Fun. Alright, let me stop rambling and go on with this video. I really love doing graphic eyeliner looks because one, they're easy to do, and two, like it looks like you really tried, which you do, because it's actually, let me stop lying. It's not that easy to do. If you haven't mastered a wing yet, these are a little hard. She's a little intermediate. But if you keep practicing and practicing, honestly, it'll get easier. So this is what it looks like. It is a felt tip pen. Not pen. It's a felt tip liner. It's ultra fine. So it's really sharp, so you can really get in there and do your thing and get a sharp line and everything. So hopefully I get this right the first time and not mess this up, because it's waterproof too. So it's smudge proof, waterproof, so it's going to be a little butthole to take off if I have to fix something. So well, let's see. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my inner corner. I don't know if you guys can see that. So far, so good. Very sharp. It's really getting precisely in there. Getting a really precise line without feathering. Just basically doing like a little basic wing. I'm gonna fill that in. This eyeliner claims to be super duper matte, transfer proof, waterproof, all that good stuff. And so far, when I'm seeing this dry, it really is matte, like super matte. It goes on really nice. Like really, really nice. Alright, I'm gonna connect it just a little bit more. So I do have a little fold. Ooh, that looks nice. If I'm just tooting my own horn, I think I did a really good job right there. So this is just your basic wing. Well, I do notice with like liquid liners that claim to be like really matte and waterproof, which are majority of the time, usually either crack or like feel really, what can I say the word, heavy? It makes me feel like my eyes just like that, but this makes me feel like my eyes like movable, like really movable. And it's actually drying down matte and not cracking. That's a good thing to look for. So now I'm gonna be ballsy and just whim whatever and do whatever with my eye. So what I'm gonna do is start off from the inner corner and just go with the flow. So I'm gonna fill in right here. I think I'm gonna do like a little point back here. And now I'm gonna do some fun stuff under my waterline. So I'm just gonna do like little dots. Okay, and I'm gonna even out this line up here. This looks really cool. I like it. I like the eyeliner too because it doesn't feel like it's like cracking on my eye. Since I did that on the bottom of my lash line, I'm also going to do that on the top of the liner, the dots. I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye and then see if I want to do any finishing touches to this one, and yeah, be right back. I finished this side. Doing my left eye is the hardest thing to do, but I managed to do it. Next I'm gonna do is take my waterproof perversion mascara from Urban Decay. I was just doing a lot, but I want to add some crystals or Swarovski crystals, whatever you'd like to call them. Take my Anastasia tweezers. I'm going to take my lash glue. I used to do a lash glue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and take one gem right here and one gem right here. I'm going to be putting on the Victress lashes in the style His and Hers. I love these lashes. Love this brand too. The odor is so nice. And the lashes are so good too. So Definitely recommend. So while those are drying, I'm gonna let them dry before I curl them. We're gonna move on to the highlighting aspect. I'm going with Peach Fizz first as a blush. Even though I already have some on, I want to put more. Dust off the excess. It kind of reminds me of I'm just putting it all over my cheek because it is like a blush on me. For deeper skin tones, this would be more of a highlight, or you could probably use it as a blush too, I'm not sure, but it's more of a blush on me. So it gives me it gives me like a dewy little look. I just use that as a blush. Let me blend that out a little bit more. Let me blend it out with my Beauty blender. Oh, it's so glowy and pretty. So if you're in my skin tone, I wear like Milani shade 02 natural. If you're around my skin tone, you could definitely wear this as a blush. I recommend it. It's beautiful. It reminds me of Milani Luminoso, the baked blush. Reminds me just of it. It's actually almost like one and the same. I don't even think I'm gonna use the other highlighter because this already gives me a really nice glow. So I think that's honestly, hold on. I need to draw on my mole. I'm tripping. Cool. And y'all, I think that is the finished look today. So I did this look using the new eyeliner, highlighters and stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me get it zoomed in for you. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and eyeliner review. What I could say about the eyeliner, like it's matte. And if you've seen the close-ups that I put in, like it's super duper matte. My eye's been watering this whole time and it still hasn't, I guess like, not leaked, but ran. There you go, it hasn't run yet. So that's a good thing. Doesn't feel really heavy on my eyes. I feel like I literally have nothing on my eyes, which is amazing. To find a liquid liner that's matte and waterproof that doesn't feel like on your eye. I like this a lot. I highly recommend it. And Anastasia and Ravina and everybody at Anastasia Beverly Hills, y'all did that for sure. And these highlighters, I used it as a blush, but it's doubled up as a highlighter too. I think it's really pretty. Here's the finished product. Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did like it. You guys, I will see you next time with hopefully a Euphoria inspired look. So bye.